What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, as always, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today, we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at market performance, and after that, we will look at prices in the little details, and right after that, we'll check our positions. Maybe we're in Rec City already, but oh my God. It is really funny, okay? I hate to do this, but it's like it's something that is already excuse me. It's something that is already there. I hate to do this, but yep, I told you so. And this what you're looking at, guys, is just the beginning. Okay? It is just the beginning. Everybody was yeah, we look at all those things just like every day. You understand? But before we get to that, guys, you know what's so funny is because if I open my inbox right now, okay, if I open my inbox for you to see the amount of people writing me, you will not believe me. For a week, or I think basically 2 weeks, you go back on my videos, you will see. I've been telling people over and over and over again, listen, I've been telling people, listen, if you're a day trader, then yes, you can make your money with this. If you are trading like me, okay, I'm not a day trader. I don't really do that. I usually open a position for 6-7 months, a positions that will make me 3, 4, 5, even more than 6 figures. Understand that? That's what I'm talking about, okay? But excuse me, I've been telling guys, the price action you're looking at right now does not look right. For the past 2 weeks, my videos are right there, okay? I was telling you guys, even as I'm looking at them today, look at the RSI, look at the MACD. Start first of all on the daily, weekly, and monthly. Look at that. It does not look good for all coins or even Bitcoin. And to make things worse, okay, whenever Bitcoin dumps, grandpa and grandma are going to sell, okay? That is not normal. And then you are going to hear Uncle Tom from the basement with his cheesy breath come out there and sell too. That is why you see all coins that whenever, if Bitcoin goes down 1%, all coins go down 5%. That is because of that chain reaction that usually happens. And I was telling people from the get-go, guys, even if Bitcoin goes up to 108,000, we are still bearish. It's still going to crash because I'm sitting here and I'm still expecting Bitcoin to go down to $90,000. The charts don't lie. But what you do is that you get these moon boys, they get this price action, and they're telling people, yeah, you know, they start telling people, yeah, you know, it is on now. We are ready to moon. The moon is here. All season is here. And then you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. You're like, what chart are these guys looking at? What are they looking at? Even public sentiment. I usually tell you guys, for you to trade, you don't need rocket science. Just take the basic stuff like the MACD, the RSI, the moving ribbon, the people's sentiment. Because those little bastards we call market makers, they use people's sentiments a lot. A very clear example, when everybody and their grandmama has high leverage long position, guess what usually happens to the market? You get you get a price reversal. Everything goes down. When the rest of everybody has that short positions, Uncle Tommy included, in the basement with a very high short position, what usually happens? Market goes up. And I've been telling you guys about this. Okay, you just have to sit there and relax. Relax. Because everything you're looking at right now, for the next 2 weeks, this price action, it did not add up. The volume wasn't there. Okay, and just like I told you guys yesterday, what they usually do, they give you a little tip. They put that sugar right on the tip of your tongue. Once you start tasting it, you be like, once you start tasting it, be like, it is really sweet. What they do? They snatch it out of your mouth and place you an aspirin pill. And they place an aspirin pill right there. You be like, I thought I was tasting sugar. What is it so bitter? So that's exactly what they do. Okay? Do not follow the crowds. Again, unless if you're a day trader. Like I said, I tried day trading before. Yes, I've made a lot of money with it, but the thing is, I have other things to do. I cannot sit here and get glued to the screens and all that stuff. I can't really do that. That's not my style. Okay, my style is like once that monthly, weekly, and daily, they're all reset. I put in my long position or short position, whatever I'm doing, and let it ride. In the bull run, I do not recommend shorting the market. I don't do that. Okay, like I told you guys, I will let you guys know when I start to short Bitcoin, which is no longer far away. I told you guys from 6 to 8 months or even less than that, you're going to see it. But anyways, people sit here and I was telling guys, you listen, unless the exchange is going to let you scale up that position, then yes, you can, if you don't mind looking at your position 40, 50, 60% negative, you can just put it in there and scale it up. Forget about it, because it is normal to see it 40% down, 50% down, because once it takes off, you're going to see yourself 3, 4, 500% up. That's my own mentality. That's how I trade. Okay, that's me. Okay, that's why you see my positions. Sometimes they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, take profits and all that stuff. Okay, but if an exchange would not let me do it, something like Margex is good exchange, but they don't let you scale up your position. Okay, then I have to wait until everything resets, and that's what I was telling people. Go look how many. Excuse me. Go look at the liquidations. Look at how much money people lost because they were not patient. And again, it is, I don't blame them. You look at these Bitcoin maxis, because like sometimes I go on YouTube and I look at people's, their TAs and stuff like that, and I begin to scratch my head. Just yesterday, a lot of them were telling people, yeah, once we hit that 100K, we're about to go up to 120. And I'm looking at it like, man, and what happened today? What happened? And guys, it is just the beginning. Prices are going lower. Like I said, I am still expecting a $90,000 Bitcoin. I am still expecting Casper to hit 10 cents or 10 point, anything like close to 10 cents is going to get hit. Because like I'm telling you guys, MACD, RSI, ribbon on the higher time frame, they are very, very bearish. If you want to add to that, Bitcoin has a bearish divergence on the monthly. It has a very big bearish divergence. And then we have Bitcoin, a death cross just happened today. So yeah, we're in a bull run. It is normal to see the price drop 20-30%. So yeah, that doesn't surprise me at all. But the thing is that people keep thinking, yeah, we're going to the moon right now. No, guys. It needs to come down a little bit, gather that momentum before we start flying up there. The same goes to Casper. Like I tell you guys, okay, Casper in 2 weeks, a week and a half, maximum 2 weeks, you're about to see the price of Casper bottom out. That's what you will see. And that week and a half, 2 weeks, you're about to see Casper. Come on. You're about to see Casper, okay, 10 cents or a little bit closer to 10 cents. That's what you're about to see, because the RSI and MACD, they're almost there, but they still need some more time. You see that. Not everybody else, like I told you, when you put your money on a leverage, please, you have to be patient. If you're buying on spot account, that don't matter what price it is. But if you want to trade on leverage, you have to be patient, or else you'll be visiting Rec City so many times you will not be able to count. And that's exactly what happened. Okay, I am a Casper maxi. I'm so bullish on Casper. Okay, that's why I am buying every opportunity I have. I buy it on the spot. But on my leverage, yes, I do have 2 positions already open, like I explained before, because those exchanges that let me scale up my position. But the ones that does not let me, I'm sitting on the sideline. I'm waiting. Okay, yeah, people might make them a little bit from let's say 11 to 13 cents, and then price comes. Yeah, day traders are gonna make money. But that is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking from 10 or 11 cents, whatever the bottom is going to be, to $2. That's me. That's what I'm looking for. Again, you sit here and you hear people, yeah, altcoin season, it's here. I'm about to show you the market so that you will tell me by yourself. Do you really think the altcoin season is here? Again, patience. You need to exercise patience. Learn how to control that emotion, and you will not lose money. Okay? That's what it is. It's all about patience. If you're not patient, man, you will have your mansion in Rec City. That's what will happen. Okay? So, that being said, guys, I don't know how many times I have to preach it. You have to be patient, guys. Look at the RSI, look at MACD. It is the most painful thing for a trader is to get liquidated. I don't care how much money it is. Even if it is $10, it hurts. Understand? But if you're not patient enough, you are going to experience that feeling over and over and over. Price may be running or may be doing whatever it is doing. You need to look at those indicators, guys, because you will have a lot of fake outs just like we just had. And a lot of people who had them long leverage trades, they lost a lot of money. They lost a lot of money. Why? I've been sitting here, my channel, my millionaire journey. I'm not a big YouTube channel with thousands of people. But my goal, I don't know what the other people's goals are, but my goal is try to make sure that everybody that watches my channel is profitable. That's my goal. Again, not financial advice. All I'm doing, I'm showing you guys what I am doing. Okay, if you decide to copy, we'll make money together, great. If you don't, that's also great. But again, I will sit here just like I'm doing today, and I'll be like, yep, I told you so. Anyways, guys, come on. Let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing. Excuse me. For the past 24 hours. And to do that, let's head right quick into my crypto bubbles right quick, because look at this. This is on the daily. Look at this. This is what I was telling people about. But anyways, let's go right quick and look at the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey edition 2024-2025. We're gonna start with the king itself, Casper. King Casper. Here you go. For the past hour, 0.8% up, 0.2%, 6.2% down on the day, staying flat on the week, and we have 37.2% down on the month and 12.2% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.94 billion. Just like I told you guys, I've been saying this a lot. You got to see this price, this market cap, I think is going to drop probably 2.5 before we take off. Anyways, and then a 24 hours trading volume is sitting at $93.53 million. Like I said, Uncle Tom and from the basement, they all panic and they are still selling. They're still selling. Wait until Bitcoin start hit does that $93,000, then you will see. So yeah, let's look at Quant, QNT, the coin a lot of people love to hate. Quant for the past hour, we are up 1.2%, okay? 5.6% down on the day, 1.9% up on the week, 31.6% down on the month, and 2.4% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.59 billion and a 24 hours trading volume of $33.54 million, okay? Now, we're looking at Jasmy, JAS, aka Japanese Bitcoin. We have here 0.5% up the last hour, 10.1% down on the day, okay? 8.9% up on the week, 26.6% down on the month, and 584% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.69 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $183.2 million. Now, last but not the least, Cubic. Like I told you guys, this one right here is a very high risk, high rewards, which I think is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. But anyways, see, look at it, 0.1% down the last hours, 11.3% down on the day, 0.7% down on the week, and 25.8% down on the month, sitting at a market cap of $331.21 million. As you can see, it is still dirt cheap. I don't know. I'm tempted to buy some more, but I think I'm going to wait because I think this price is going to drop a little bit more. But anyways, the 24 hours volume traded is sitting at $7.6 million. Okay, there you have it. I told you guys, these prices you was looking at the pumps, they were not real, they were impulsive moves. Okay, but anyways, now let's continue right quick. Now let's go look at prices in a little bit much more details. Okay, because here again, if you watch my videos yesterday, you'll be able to relate a little bit. Okay, we are going to start first with King Casper. Excuse me. Just like I told you guys yesterday, this is on the 1 hourly, okay? If you want to pause it right here and watch my update yesterday, like I told you guys, I was expecting us to break this resistance, okay? Resistance that used to be support before, and because of that RSI and because of the RSI and MACD, they are so bearish. Yesterday I told you guys, I was expecting us to break this. And look at it, moving ribbon is falling, free falling, moving average is also falling. So yeah, price is still going to go lower, okay? I would be loved to be proved wrong, but the charts, I always follow what the charts tell me, okay? So if you look at it on the 4 hourly, we are not going to spend much time because it's the same thing. Like I told you guys, it's going to happen. That's what I still think. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, let me zoom out right quick. Let me zoom in first. You can see here, look at this here. Let me take my arrow again, depending on how low Bitcoin is going to go. As you can see, I told you guys, I'm expecting prices to come and test this support again, which is again is around that 10 to 10.5 cents. That's where we are. So yeah, I'm expecting this to drop again. As you can see, yesterday we were up all the way up there, and I told you guys, look at the moving average falling, moving ribbon curving, and again, see that's what exactly happened. So yeah, I'm still expecting this to drop even lower. So yeah, I am not going to bore you guys with with this because I've been repeating myself on this subject for the past almost 2 weeks. Okay, when Casper went all the way up to 13 cents, and I told guys it's an impulsive move. It does not, the volume and everything else does not support it. I don't see it. Okay, but anyways, let's watch and see. Let's watch and see how everything plays out. Although, like I told you guys, I am already sitting on the sideline. I'm waiting for these 10 cents or 10, anything between 10.5 to 10 cents. That's when I will enter my position, depending on what the RSI and MACD are once we start to get there. Okay. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. Okay. Quant, like I told you guys, regulations are coming in hot with Quant. That's why now, excuse me. That's why, as you can see, Quant is reacting differently. Only because, like I told you guys, Uncle Tommy from the basement, once they see Bitcoin start to fall, everybody and their grandmama is also going to sell their altcoin. But the good thing about Quant, as you can see, as everything else was falling that hard, Quant basically did not move away from our range. You see this? We did not move. Quant stayed on the same range. Up, down, up, down. Now we're expecting, like, because it's sitting on that support right there. So you're about to see it again, go the up, down until we have that breakout. The reason why, again, is because Quant has that bullish momentum due to the regulation kicking in, the new government coming in. They're going to start clamping up on Bitcoins and on altcoins and banking system. They're already upgrading to start offering crypto, crypto services. That's why I told you guys, for Quant price, I'm not really worried about it because it has a lot of bullish momentum behind it as of this moment. Okay. So yeah, if you look at it on the hourly, again, like I told you guys, it is going to do the same thing like everybody else because Uncle Tommy on the basement, Uncle Tommy in the basement, they're scared. But look at this, as simple as that. See how we dump on right on the support and Quant is already bouncing up. It's already bouncing. So Quant is going to range for a little while. I told you guys 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, you're about to see something different because everything else is gearing up to that moment. Okay. So yeah, we're going to sit here and I'm going to laugh about it when the day comes. Because like I always tell you guys, to make money, you need to be opposite from everybody. And another thing about Quant, you see that this is a bull flag that we are forming. Okay, look at the ribbon. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Look at the ribbon. Quant is still green on the ribbon. So yeah, everything is playing out for Quant because the bullish momentum is there. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. I told you guys, for me, Jasmy was still bullish. But just like I told you guys, if Bitcoin dumps, Jasmy was going to dump because Jasmy unfortunately follows Bitcoin. Right? You guys remember that. I told you guys that we were doing great because we went to that 4 cents. I saw it going. And that right there, looking at the volume, looking at everything else, and then looking at Bitcoin, I was like, nah, I think you guys have to be very, very cautious because the obvious thing is there. Uncle Tommy in the basement, grandpa and grandma, once Bitcoin's dumped, they're also going to dump Jasmy. That's how it is, okay? So far, yeah, Jasmy is holding up pretty good. I didn't think it was going to hold this back. But I am still, because again, I want to open a position in Margex, okay? Jasmy right now, if you look at everything, Jasmy is still just like Quant. There's a bull flag, okay? It went up, now we're consolidating. We broke above the resistance, okay? But yet... I'm still cautious because I think Jasmy could easily come back down to this wick right here. You see that wick that we came all the way down here, 2.7, 2.8 cents? I think Jasmy is going to do it. I think they're going to come down there before price reverses in the next 2 weeks or so. If you go look at it on the 1 hourly, look. See that? At the difference between Quant and Jasmy, like Quant sat on the resistance and started to bounce. But look at that. Moving ribbon on Jasmy is free falling. Moving average is just starting to curve, also going down. So yeah, this price action is going to continue. Like I said, 2.8 or even 2.5 cents on Jasmy is very, very possible. So yeah, you have to be patient. Sit on the sideline. Please, guys, please do not fall for it or else you will be paying rent in Rec City. That's what you are going to do. Okay, so it is what it is. And again, excuse me for a second. Let me go here. Open up this. Yeah, one of the subscribers was asking me why I don't do TA on Cubic. Guys, I don't think it's relevant right now. At such a low market cap for Cubic, it's not really relevant to do how you say it, to do a TA on it. Because like if you try to even leverage trade on it, I don't think, I have to research it. I want to know if there is a leverage any exchange that is offering leverage trading on Cubic. I'll look it up. If there is, then yes, that's a very big opportunity for me to get a trade on it, scale it up, and just leave it there. That's that's something. But for now, as the way I look at things, I don't think it's relevant to do a TA on Cubic. Okay, what I'm doing on Cubic, I'm just buying it on the spot, and I'm making my spot account go up. Okay, like I said, I want to at least get 5 billion cubic coins. That's what I want, or even close to that. That's why I'm doing that every day. So yeah, it is high risk, high reward. So it's really up to you. Now, looking at the situation, like I said, if you really have a good entry, you can 5, 10, or 20x your money. And to do that, down below, I do have my Margex, Bydfi, and Phemex. The links are down there. Sign up. Use those links, guys, because if you do, you're going to get thousands of dollars of free money once you meet their deposit bonuses. Okay, but again, I do not recommend leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you're going to lose your money. Guys, I can't teach you how to trade. Nobody can teach you how to trade. You get that free money, use $200-300, start practicing on the hourly, on the 4 hourly, on the 5 minutes. I don't care what time frame you choose, just start practicing. Okay. Come on. Start practicing. What happens if I add some margin? If I take down some margin? Okay, what happened once the RSI is going up? You know, all these scenarios. Start practicing for you to make those mistakes. Because trust me, whether you like it or not, you are going to make those mistakes. And it's always better to make a mistake with a $5 to $10 or $100 versus you making that mistake with thousands of dollars. You understand? That's why I always say that. Please, leverage trading is not for everybody. Okay, just stick to buying on spot. But if you want to venture into those links and make more money with leverage, please, you need to practice first. Anyways, now let's go to my positions right quick. We're gonna start with my Bydfi. I told you guys this exchange is very good. The reason why I like Bydfi is because they let you scale up your trades, and by doing so, okay, you also increase your profits, because the lower your liquidation, the higher your position is, the more profit you're going to make. Yeah, and at the same time, the more you scale it up, the lower it drops your liquidation. That way, those price swings like we are looking at right now, you are not going to get liquidated. Okay, as you can see, my overall, I am still sitting at $14,200. And if you look at my contracts, okay, you see here, my Casper, I am still down 44%, and that is equal to 3,100. I'm expecting this to even drop lower. I think it's going to go back down to that 60 or something percent low. And again, looking at my Quant, I am still up 7% versus what I was yesterday, but still, like I said, I'm not really worried about this. Please do not trade like me. You can pause this video and you can look at this. I'm a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. And my liquidation for Casper is at 6 cents, and my liquidation for Quant is at $40. Therefore, I'm not worried about whatever the price is going to do, because my liquidation is way too low. Understand? I don't understand. I don't really care about it. Like I told you guys, for Quant, I am expecting minimum, at least, I'm expecting a 40x for Quant. At 40x from where we are right now, that will put Quant at $5,000. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. And for Casper, I'm a maxi. I put it on all my thumbnails. I'm expecting Casper to get to $10 or even higher this run. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll be wrong, or maybe I'm right, but that's what I'm expecting based on what is coming for Casper. Okay, now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On my Phemex, right there, I do trade Jasmy and of course Casper. Okay, as you can see on my overall, I am still up 12,500. And then when you look at my contracts, okay, looking at my contracts on my Jasmy, like I told you guys, I did not trust that price action. On my Jasmy, I am down 4.9%, which is $495. And on my Casper, I am still down 55%, which is 3,100. Again, I don't really care whatever the price is doing. My liquidation for Jasmy is less than a cent. You can pause this video and you can look at it. And my liquidation for Casper is 7 cents. Again, you have to look at it that way. Okay, even if price swings as hard as it wants to, it will not affect me. Okay, so that is something that that's the way I trade. Okay, that's the way I trade. Now everybody else will be looking at me crazy, and like I told you guys, Jasmy, minimum this run I'm expecting is 60 cents minimum. And again, if you look at it, let's go here, 60 cents on Jasmy, 0.6. This position will make me $210,000 in the next probably 6 to 7 months. We're about to see this. Okay, now they said their lockup coming up and everything else coming up, and even if they lock up 10 or 15% of their total supply, you are going to look at Jasmy above $1, maybe $1.50. So at $1.50, more than $500,000 that this thing will make me. So yeah, I am sitting on the sideline. I already have my positions open, except for those on Margex, as you guys already know. Okay, so yeah, it is. Come on. It is my trading strategy. Again, guys, you need to be patient or else you will lose a lot of money. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. I have to get out of here. I need to go take my medicine. I'm still under the weather. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. And also, do not forget to share, so that other people like you and me with millionaire minds, we see these videos and we can exchange ideas. Again, you never know what you're going to learn from somebody new. Okay? Excuse me about that. That being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. And bye-bye.